If you're operating an e-commerce store, then at some point, you'll have to figure out how to package, ship, and fulfill your orders. Product packaging is the most direct touch point with your customer. It also happens to be one of the most underused marketing opportunities. Great e-commerce packaging isn't just about protecting your products during the shipping process. It's about creating a memorable moment for your customers. Although the functional aspect of product packaging is still important, innovative brands are beginning to use the unboxing experience to win the hearts of consumers, generate social media buzz, and differentiate themselves in the marketplace. Today, I'm going to help you do the same. In this video, I'll show you how top brands design memorable unboxing experiences to generate repeat purchases and attract new customers. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll share a free, comprehensive guide that will walk you step by step through the entire shipping and fulfillment process. So what is product packaging? Product packaging is so much more than just a container or materials used to protect an item. It's your brand's first impression to customers. It should provide value and excitement. It should make your customers eager to share the experience. When we think of product packaging in this way, it causes us to consider the potential touch points that we'll have with our customers from the moment the product leaves our facility until it arrives in the customer's hands. Why is product packaging important? As you might imagine, having a physical store can provide ample opportunities for interaction with customers, as they can see the smile on your face, have a conversation with you, and even hear your polite tone of voice as you hand them their products. With online retailers, this is not the case. So the goal of e-commerce packaging is to establish a similar warm feeling when customers receive and open their packages. This is what makes product packaging so important for any brand looking to better connect with their consumers, especially in a crowded marketplace. A recent survey from .com Distribution found that 40% of consumers are likely to make repeat purchases from an online merchant with premium packaging. The same study also found that premium packaging makes a brand feel upscale as well as builds anticipation for delivery. Many brands are realizing that packaging presents a great opportunity to elaborate on key messaging or strengthen their brand identity and even compel customers to spread awareness on several social media platforms. If it looks good, feels good, sounds good, or stands for something meaningful, customers will have no problem letting others know about it. See your product packaging as an extension of your brand. When I started my tea shop, we became very well known for displaying a high level of customer service, as stated by hundreds of customers across various review sites like Google Reviews, TripAdvisor, and Yelp. Many of these reviews stemmed from the day-to-day shenanigans that we would perform when customers walked into our store. We would randomly dress up in Disney costumes, hand out chocolates, and surprise customers with gifts on their birthday, leaving them in disbelief and in anticipation for their next visit. Once we launched our online shop, we knew there would be high expectations for us to upkeep this level of service and still incorporate the wow factor that our customers had come to enjoy. With this in mind, we made it our duty to ensure that every customer that placed an order for the first time received a personal handwritten letter from the founders. Every order received 3 free samples and other branded material inside their polka dot ribbon box filled with sparkly tissue and confetti. Our goal was to capture the key elements of our brand and share it with our customers all over the world. The geek and gaming merch subscription box service Loot Crate is a great example of a brand that is delighting their customers with every aspect of the product packaging experience. Every month, they send their subscribers a theme-tailored box of surprises, such as their Harry Potter box or Chamber of Secrets. These boxes have everything from Hogwarts-inspired letters explaining the contents of the package to Phoenix badges and posters. Everything that would leave a subscriber anticipating their next monthly package. The real value add with a company like Loot Crate goes beyond the box and what's inside, as they go above and beyond for their subscribers by also giving them a sneak peek at their behind-the-scenes videos via the Looters mobile app. In this case, you can see that Loot Crate understands that the term product packaging is everything from the box to the contents to mobile app. It's an all-inclusive package. And then there was Apple. If you've ever purchased anything from Apple, then you know how much detail they put into every aspect of the product packaging. The sleek, minimalistic box, the glossy overlay, the product placement in the box, even the Mac charger comes beautifully wound up and looks aesthetically pleasing. The tiny branded booklet is the icing on the cake as it educates on all aspects of the product you just purchased, while also making you feel as if you just joined an elite sorority club of tech users globally. Apple has and continues to deliver awesome experiences with their product packaging. Next up, we'll discuss types of packaging and their uses. Great packaging should be just as functional as it is beautiful because customers are depending on us to ship their products efficiently and safely. So let's take a look at the most commonly used packaging and what they're used for so that you can get a better idea of what type of packaging works best for you and your business needs. Corrugated boxes, padded mailers, bags and envelopes, custom product packaging. Let's break these down. Corrugated boxes. These are the most widely used product packaging by retailers as they're simple, sturdy, and don't add too much weight to your shipment. The fact that corrugated boxes can be recycled also makes them an eco-friendly option that your customers will definitely appreciate. If your products are a bit heavier than normal, these boxes also have double-walled options to provide extra strength and durability. Padded mailers. These packages are often used for shipping smaller or flat items such as books, handcrafted items, or even jewelry. The bonus with these packages is that they're lined with a bubble padding to keep the items protected. One drawback with padded mailers would be the fact that they're not the most eco-friendly option, and this may cause some concern for your customers, so keep this in mind. Bags and envelopes. Consider using this option if you're shipping items that are light but not fragile. Bags and envelopes are very strong, durable, and typically self-sealing, which does make it easy to package orders. Adding your logo or branded message to these bags or envelopes is an easy way to strengthen your brand identity and give your customers something special. Companies like Hero Packaging can help you create branded packages with zero waste alternatives, so consider checking them out. Custom packaging. This option is where you can really get your creative juices flowing. Custom packaging can include everything from die-cut boxes to branded ribbons, wrapping and tape. The objective with custom packaging is to fully immerse your customer into your brand and allow them to feel like they just ordered a piece of your brand identity. If done right, customers won't waste any time pulling out their smartphone and taking pictures and videos while unboxing their package. If you need some inspiration to help kickstart your ideas, check out East Coast Packaging. They're a very popular choice when it comes to customized packaging materials such as bubble mailers, package cushioning, and a lot more. They also offer over 1,300 sizes of boxes, so there's plenty to choose from. You can also explore apps like Arca on the Shopify app store, who also offer amazing selections for all your packaging needs. Reminders and resources. I'm sure by now you can see some of the amazing opportunities that exist from creating a spectacular brand experience with your packaging. And you're probably super excited to get started on your own. So I'll leave you with an idea guide that you can follow to see which packaging elements will be a part of your brand experience. And then I'll list a few resources to help you find exactly what you need. Great, so let's talk about some of the packaging elements. There's packaging. This can be corrugated boxes, bubble mailers, poly bags, or even envelopes. Tissue paper, great for adding a little extra surprise to the unboxing experience. Fillers, packing peanuts, air pillows, or even bubble wrap. These help to keep the product safe and snug during transport. Not to mention, bursting the bubble wrap is pretty soothing as well. Just saying. Stickers. This is an easy way to strengthen your branding identity and show off your beautiful logo. Promotional materials. Capitalize on the opportunity to educate, inspire, or offer additional value to your customers with flyers, coupons, and other stationery elements. Custom note. From experience, I can tell you, nothing says we appreciate your business more than a handwritten letter to your customer. If this is something that is feasible for your business, it really does go a long way in leaving a positive impression. Instructions. Never leave your customers guessing about your product and how to use it. From food prepping guides to technical manuals, these are always very appreciated by customers when receiving a package. Tape. Of course, clear tape is the popular pick, but many brands are adding a little dazzle to their packages by using colorful or custom branded tape to keep their packages intact. Remember, it's all in the details. Samples or gifts. A sure way to have your customers smiling is to throw in a sample or a gift into their package. This is like the icing on the cake when it comes to receiving a package and will in many cases result in a repurchase. Here are some useful resources to help you find what you're looking for. Feel free to screenshot this list, but I'll add some links in the description. For boxes, check out Instabox, Fantastipack, Arca, Custom Boxes Now, AnyBox Today, Refine Packaging, Box Geek, and Inky. For tissue, check out No Issue or DigiWrap. For tape, check out Tape Jungle or Arca. Envelopes and mailer envelopes, Hero Packaging. For stickers, Sticker U, Sticker Giant, Sticker Mule. And for promotional material, Overnight Prints and Vistaprint. Also, if you're trying to decide what to charge your customers or trying to figure out insurance and tracking, this comprehensive guide will walk you step by step through the entire process. Click the link right here to download your free guide to shipping and fulfillment. Ready to create your first business? Start your 14-day trial of Shopify, no credit card required. Set up your store in days and bring your brand to life. Click this link right here to get started on your business journey. Hopefully this video has given you everything you need to make your unboxing experience worth remembering. By following these steps, you'll gain the competitive edge your business needs to generate loyal customers and attract new sales. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to start and grow your online business. Remember, we're a channel for small business owners with big plans. I've been your host, Daniel Lewis, and I'll see you next time on Learn with Shopify.